Okay, hey fellas, just follow up on my ProMax 34 DR mower. Have 42 hours on it now, and everything's been working out pretty well. But I did have an issue that came up this weekend where I couldn't start the mower, and it kind of shut me down for a few days. And it's quite odd. I had spark, gas, and I still couldn't get the mower to start. But what I found was right down here, this bolt backed out and pushed on this throttle connection, throttle choke connection, and it wouldn't allow the motor to start. It would turn over, but it would not start. Looking at about a 6-week fix time in this area at a shop to handle it under warranty. I put my eyeballs into it a bit more and found that bolt. So if you have that trouble, look at that bolt. Thanks.